Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I got an incredible Shopify offer that you simply can't miss by using exclusive link below. It's $1 for first month, and don't wait. Click on the link on the description below. Start Shopify journey today.
Well, not only can you score your first month for just $1, but you also get 2 months to try out all of Avada's top-rated apps for free, which support you to run your Shopify store with more extensions. We're talking 5-star reviews and over 230,000 happy users. For those unsure about the next steps, here's a detailed guide. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to a Shopify page, as I have here. Now, as you can see, you are going to get an extended deal of only $1 for the first month. Here you're going to hit Start Free Trial. Now this page will open up, and here you'll give a bit of information for Shopify to set up your account. Then click on Next. Someone may be unsure about the answer. It's okay for you to skip this step. All right. Now Shopify wants to know where you'll be selling your products. You're going to choose Online Store first, so you'll be all set to design your own e-commerce website. If you have another website or blog, Shopify will also give you the option to add a handy buy button so you can sell products there too. If you're thinking about selling on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy, be sure to select online marketplaces. If you're selling in person at a brick-and-mortar store, pop-up markets, or anywhere else, check that box too. And if you want to sync your store with social media shops like Facebook or Instagram, select that option as well. Then, let's click Next and keep going. Now it's time to reveal a little bit about the kinds of products you'll be selling so that Shopify can prepare all suitable tools. Alright, for now, let's click Next. Then select your business location. I'll select US and just click Next. The next step is creating your own Shopify ID. You can choose to sign up with your email address, or if you prefer, you can use your existing Apple, Facebook, or Google account. I'm going to go ahead and use my email, but you can do whatever feels easiest for you. Make sure to set a super secure password and click Create Shopify ID Now. Waiting for a few seconds, you'll enter your shiny new Shopify dashboard. There's a little button at the bottom of the screen that says, Switch to a paid plan and get the first month for $1. Here you'll see all the different Shopify plans available. Please notice that they're all just $1 for the first month. Shopify might suggest a plan based on the information you provided earlier, but if you're just getting started, I'd suggest going with the basic plan. It's usually everything you need to launch and grow your online store. What about Shopify plan? Yes, as you can see, it's for small team. This plan is all about flourishing a small business with 5-member accounts. Chat support. Come on, advanced plan when your business scales and you may need more like customer report. Here, you can choose whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. Then, go ahead and add your business address and payment information, like a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Once everything's filled out, click Subscribe, and you're all set. You'll have access to all the Shopify goodies. On top of that, including 1,000 apps to make your store sing, 100+ themes, and a whole lot more to keep your customers coming back for more. All right, buddy, listen up. You're probably rocking that awesome trial discount right now, right? Well, time flies when you're having fun, and that trial's going to be over before you know it. After first month, your plan goes back to the regular price. No worries though, I got you covered. Here's the lowdown on what you can expect to pay in the US once that trial ends. I'll drop all the juicy details in the description below so you can check out the full features of each plan. Don't get caught off guard. Choose the Shopify plan that's perfect for your business and keep crushing it online. And as a quick reminder, the link for this special $1 Shopify deal is also in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.